All right, so get this, today's deep dive. It's all about you.
Oh.
Specifically you breaking free from that 9-to-5 grind
Yeah.
and building a business that you actually love.
I like it.
We're going to crack open this brand new book.
Okay.
It literally just came out February 5th.
Wow.
It's called How to Build a Business You Love, Learn at Wealthy Affiliate.
So what's really interesting about this is the author Joshi actually built his own successful business using the Wealthy Affiliate platform.
Oh,
so
good.
he's not just talking theory here, he's sharing what worked for him.
Okay, hold on.
Yeah.
Before you think this is just another rah-rah, follow your dreams pep talk.
Right.
It gets way more practical than that.
Oh, good.
I know you're all about taking action, so
Absolutely.
let's dive into the good stuff.
Okay.
So the book starts off by helping you figure out
Okay.
what kind of business is actually right for you.
Right.
It's not about chasing trends.
Yeah.
It's about tapping into your own passions and values.
That's so crucial for long-term success.
Right.
Think about it. You're trying to escape a job that's draining you.
Exactly.
The last thing you want is to create another one, right? So this book pushes you to get clear on what truly lights you up.
Yeah.
So your business feels like an extension of yourself,
I love that.
not other trends.
Not another chore.
Yeah.
And that's where it gets really cool.
Yeah.
The book actually has this quiz
Oh, fun.
to help you identify which of your passions
Okay.
have the most business potential.
I love that.
Remember that list of things you love
Yes.
that you sent over?
Mhm.
This quiz could help you turn those into real money-making ideas.
I love that they included that, it's not enough to just follow your passion.
Right.
You need to know if there's a market for it.
Right.
If people will actually pay for what you're offering.
Exactly, and that's another thing this book nails.
Okay, what's that?
It's all about creating a unique business model.
Uh-huh.
It encourages you to really think about what makes you stand out.
Yeah.
What can you offer that nobody else can?
It even has a section on crafting what they call a customer avatar.
Oh yeah, tell me about that.
Oh, it's a great technique. It's where you basically build this profile of your ideal customer.
Oh, interesting.
Like, what are their needs? What are their challenges? Even their favorite websites.
Wow,
It helps you tailor your entire business to exactly the right people.
so smart, right?
Yeah.
It's all about targeting instead of trying to be everything to everyone.
Exactly.
Now, I know you're probably wondering about the whole digital side of things.
Oh, yeah.
Don't worry, the book doesn't shy away from that.
Good.
It dives into building a website,
Uh-huh.
creating content,
Mm-hmm.
and even using social media to grow your audience.
And it even demystifies things like SEO.
Oh, yeah. What is
Yeah,
that?
that's search engine optimization.
Okay.
Basically, it's the stuff that helps your website show up on Google
Oh, right.
when people are searching for what you offer.
Which is essential in today's world, right?
Absolutely.
Like, if people can't find you online, do you even exist?
Right.
The book walks you through all of that, even if you're not a tech expert.
It's like having a digital marketing mentor right there with you.
Oh, I like that.
And what I appreciate is it focuses on strategies that are authentic and sustainable.
Okay.
It's not about quick hacks or tricks,
Right.
It's about building a solid foundation for your business.
I like that.
Yeah.
A solid foundation.
Yeah.
Okay, so,
Yeah.
and here's the thing that really resonated with me. The book doesn't sugarcoat it.
Oh, yeah.
The fact that starting a business is hard.
Yeah.
Like, there are going to be challenges,
Solid.
setbacks, even moments where you want to throw in the towel.
Right.
For
sure.
But it gives you strategies for dealing with all of that.
It talks about, managing your time, dealing with self-doubt,
Yeah.
finding the right support system.
Yeah.
All those things that can really make or break you as an entrepreneur.
Oh my gosh, the self-doubt.
Oh, yeah.
I feel like that's something everyone struggles with at some point, especially when you're first starting out.
Yeah.
It's like, who am I to do this?
Right.
What if I fail?
No.
You know?
The book actually calls that the imposter syndrome.
Oh, really?
Yeah. And it gives you really practical tips for silencing that inner critic.
Oh, that's so good.
Yeah. And it also emphasizes surrounding yourself with a community of like-minded people.
Yeah.
Having that support system can make all the difference.
Which is probably why the author is such a big advocate for that Wealthy Affiliate platform.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not just about the training and resources.
Right.
It's about connecting with other entrepreneurs
Yeah,
who get what you're going through.
exactly. It's like having a built-in cheering section and a sounding board all in one.
I like that.
And that's something that, a lot of solopreneurs,
Yeah.
people who are working on their business alone, they really crave that.
Totally. And I think that's what makes this book so different from others out there.
Yeah.
It's
Yeah.
not just about the technical stuff.
Right.
It's about the mindset of the community and the belief in yourself.
It's almost like a blueprint for building a fulfilling life,
Yeah.
not just a successful business.
I love that.
And that's what really stood out to me.
Yeah.
It's about finding your purpose, pursuing your passions, and creating a life that feels aligned with your values.
And I love that it emphasizes that you don't need to have it all figured out from day one.
Right. Totally.
You just need to be willing to learn, to grow, and to adapt along the way.
Yes.
Yeah.
It's about embracing the journey, even the messy parts,
Yes.
and remembering that success isn't linear.
Right.
It's about constantly evolving and learning.
And speaking of learning,
Yeah.
one thing the book talks about is the importance of building genuine connections with your audience.
Oh, for sure.
It's not just about blasting out ads or trying to, sell.
Right.
It's about providing value
Mhm.
and building trust.
That's so key because, people can spot inauthenticity a mile away,
Yeah.
especially online.
Especially online.
So it's about creating a community around your brand, engaging with your followers,
Yeah.
and building relationships that go beyond just transactions.
It's like, imagine having a group of people who are so excited about what you're doing
Yes.
and who actually want to hear from you.
Yes.
That's the dream, right?
It is. And that's what this book can help you achieve.
Wow.
It gives you a roadmap for building that kind of genuine connection with your audience.
Now, I know you mentioned that you have a background in online marketing.
Yeah.
So some of this might feel familiar to you.
Yeah, definitely. But what I found really valuable was the book's focus on niche marketing.
Oh, tell me more about that.
Yeah, it talks about the power of finding that specific group of people who are most likely to be interested in what you have to offer.
Okay, so instead of trying to appeal to everyone,
Right.
you're focusing on the people who are truly passionate about your niche.
Exactly. It's about quality over quantity. It's about building a loyal following of people who genuinely connect with your brand and your message, and that's where the real magic happens.
I love that. And it all comes back to that idea of aligning your passion with your business.
Yes.
Because when you're doing something you love and you're connecting with people who love it too, that's when you create something truly special.
Absolutely.
Okay, so we've talked about finding your passion, building a unique business model, and connecting with your audience.
Right.
Now let's get down to the brass tacks.
Yes.
How do you actually make this thing work in the real world?
That's where the book's focus on digital strategy comes in.
Okay.
It walks you through all the essential tools and tactics you need to thrive in the online world.
And I'm not just talking about posting cute cat videos on social media.
Right.
This is about creating a sustainable online presence
Yeah.
that attracts customers and drives sales.
Absolutely.
So break it down for me. What are some of the specific strategies the book recommends?
Well, for starters, it emphasizes the importance of understanding your target audience.
Okay.
Remember that customer avatar we talked about?
Uh-huh.
That comes into play big time here.
Of course, you need to know who you're talking to
Yeah.
before you can start creating content or crafting marketing messages.
Yeah, exactly. And once you have a clear picture of your ideal customer,
Yeah.
the book guides you through creating content that resonates with their needs and interests.
So it's not just about creating content for the sake of creating content.
Right.
It's about creating content that's strategically designed
Yes,
to attract the right people to your business.
exactly. And it covers a variety of content formats too, from blog posts and articles to videos and social media updates.
Wow.
The key is to just find what works best for your audience and your business.
Now, I know you're already familiar with some of this stuff from your Etsy shop,
Yeah, a little bit.
but I was particularly intrigued by the book section on SEO.
Oh yeah, SEO is definitely a game changer.
Yeah.
And the book does a great job of demystifying it. Okay.
It breaks down the basics of how search engines work and what you can do to improve your website's ranking in search results.
Because let's be real, if your website's buried on page 10 of Google, nobody's ever going to find you.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And the book gives you practical tips for optimizing your website content,
Oh, good.
using keywords strategically and building backlinks to increase your visibility.
See, that's what I love about this book. It's packed with actionable advice that you can actually implement,
Yes.
even if you're not a tech whiz.
And it emphasizes the importance of being patient and consistent.
Okay.
Building a successful online presence takes time and effort,
Yeah.
but with the right strategies and a little bit of elbow grease, it's totally achievable.
Speaking of effort, the book doesn't shy away from the fact that building a business is hard work,
Yeah.
but it also makes it clear that it's incredibly rewarding.
Oh, absolutely. There's nothing quite like the feeling of creating something from scratch.
Right.
And watching it grow and flourish.
Yeah. And this book gives you the tools and the inspiration to make that happen.
It's like having a roadmap to entrepreneurial success.
Yes.
Complete with all the tips and tricks and resources you need to navigate the journey.
And it reminds you that you don't have to do it alone.
Oh, that's so important.
There's a whole community of entrepreneurs out there
Yeah.
who are willing to support you and cheer you on every step of the way.
And speaking of support, if you're ready to dive deeper into this world of passion-driven entrepreneurship,
Yeah.
I highly recommend checking out How to Build a Business You Love, Learn at Wealthy Affiliate. Available on Amazon right now.
And if you want even more inspiration and guidance, be sure to subscribe to the Joshi Vaibhav channel.
Oh, yes.
They've got tons of great content on entrepreneurship, personal growth, and creating a life you love.
And hey, while you're at it, give them a like and share their videos with your friends.
Yes.
It's a great way to support their work and spread the message of entrepreneurial empowerment.
Because remember, anyone can build a business they love. It just takes a little bit of courage, a lot of hard work, and the right resources to guide you along the way.
That's it for this deep dive. Thanks for joining us on this journey of entrepreneurial discovery.